Hello everyone, this is Dan Gramza and welcome to Gramza Market Studies for Monday, December 12th. I mentioned for Friday's video Thursday, but I had the right date, December 9th. Well, how did we finish up for the week? In the right kind of behavior, I would say. Strong buyers coming in, a decent close. It would have been better if we could have closed a little bit higher in the NASDAQ market, but that is what I'm looking for on Monday. I'm looking for the buying efforts that we see now to continue, beginning with the Japanese, or not just the Japanese, but the Asian Australian time zone on Sunday night here in Chicago. I'm looking for follow through. In the dollar, I'm looking for strength. And that's what we're seeing right now in the euro. The euro is getting weaker, which means the dollar is getting stronger. It is at a critical level. Can we get follow through? I think we can, and I'm looking for volatility on Monday to the downside. In the interest rate markets, I mentioned I was looking for a down day for Friday, and that's what we have. Again, it also is at levels where we expect challenges to this action that we're seeing here, but I'm looking for further movement to the downside on Monday. And in gold, it just doesn't have a reason to rally, and that it's its problem. I look for that issue to continue as well too. But when it comes to silver, well, it did back off. It traded below its bearish level. The magnitude change between the bullish and bearish level in that market, to give you a feel for that, is let me get that for you, $800 a contract. That's the value of that move. And what do we look for? This is in a different mode than we're seeing for gold. It actually does have a potential for a move to the upside. I don't think it has a reason for that move to the upside. So for Monday, I'm looking for an unchanged type day. In crude oil, yes, we see some buyers coming in. We got to pay attention to this. And as I mentioned, the structure was bullish, and that's why we were looking for movement to the upside for Friday. But and we got some of that. But I'm still guarded up here. Yes, nothing telling us to be a seller at the current level. But I think we should be cautious when it comes to that crude oil because of the fundamentals out there. Now let's take a look at those grains. And when it comes to soybeans, this is not what I expected. I expected more of a quiet range, about a 10-cent range. But again, we found buyers coming right back up. This is setting up a long-term neutral zone type trade. So for this one, if we do get follow through on Monday, and that is what this implies, I don't look for a big move, but I do look for a positive move on Monday. Well, that concludes today's market studies. Thank you for being with me. I look forward to being with you again, and as always, take care.